Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys to show you guys how to enable 4K video recording on your iPhone 7 Plus. For by default, the setting is not set up to record at 4K, so we're going to show you guys how to enable this. So the iPhone 7 Plus, or the second generation after the 6 Plus, that is able to record at 4K. I believe you can also record an iPhone 6s and the 7 as well. So to do that, we're going to look at the settings first. If you go into the settings, go into video, you'll see by default it's not set to record at 4K. It's actually set to record at 1080p, but we're going to go ahead and enable that. So go into settings. Once you're in settings, go into camera, and then once you're in camera, go to record video, and then you'll see by default, like I mentioned, it's recording at 1080p HD at 30 frames per second. To select 4K, you're going to select the last option that says 4K at 30 frames per second for a smoother and higher resolution. But the trade-off here is that recording a minute worth of video at 4K, it's going to consume about 170 megs per minute. So if you guys don't have a lot of space, it will quickly consume up your space and you won't have enough space left. But if you're doing at 1080p, it's going to be 60 frames per second. So that's kind of the comparison. Now let's go back to our camera app this time. And this time, if we go to record video, you'll see a little tag here pop up for 4K video recording. Now we're able to actually record at 4K. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys to show how you can record 4K. And please make sure that the like and subscribe button, and also comment on what device you're currently using, if not the 7 Plus. Thanks for watching, guys.